Hello guys! Samahan niyo ako ulit manood ng nakakilabot na mga video. So ito ang 5 ghost caught on camera poltergeist. So ibig sabihin ito yung mga nagpaparamdam talaga, yung mga magpapagalaw at saka yung naririnig mo yung mga boses nito. Kaya to nireaction ko kasi isa to sa mga nakakatakot na video ni Nooks Top 5. So subscribe nyo si Nooks Top 5 sa mga gusto sa mga nakakatakot na video. Subscribe nyo si Nooks Top 5. So ito, simulan na natin. Let's go!
Top 5 Ghosts Caught on Camera. Icky Thump. YouTuber Michael McGee has one of the longest running paranormal
Oy,
YouTube
paranormal to
channels of all time. Michael claims that a ghost or some otherworldly
Vlogger.
entity has been following him for over 8 years. And he says that he's captured multiple
shit.
videos of this spirit on tape. So it should come as no surprise that Michael seems to remain relatively calm when confronted yet again with
Nakakatakot to. Ito yung sumusunod sa kanya na gusto niyang makita.
this supernatural stalker thumping on the
Oh,
ceiling.
supernatural stalker.
Alright, so it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm in the house alone. Sean's gone to work.
Oh, yun. May lumalag yan, oh.
As you can hear, it's been stomping for about 5 minutes. I've just got the camera out, so I'm going to go see if we can capture something on tape.
Ang creepy kaya na, mag-isa ka lang sa bahay, no? Tapos makakarinig ka ng may kumakalampag. Siguro kahit na daga yung kumakalampag, nakakatakot pa rin, eh. Ganda pa man din ang bahay.
Sorry, it's getting louder.
Second floor. Baka naman hangin lang. Uy, tumal. Bumibilis.
Hello?
Wala. Uy. Parang may black shadow na umano, no? Dumaan.
In there, you may as well show yourself.
Baka nagtatago doon sa ilalim ng kama, no? Biglang susulpot yung mukha sa'yo.
Oh. This is getting old.
Oy! Oy! Bakit gumagalaw yun? Tingnan natin, ha?
Oh.
Bakit gumagalaw yung ceiling? Yung ilaw?
This is getting old.
Ayun, no? Oh, tapos parang may bumubulong, ano? Ah, TV pala yun. Nakala ko parang may bumubulong. Araw to, ha? So, araw to. So, ibig sabihin, kung magpaparamdam talaga sa'yo, kahit hindi gabi, kahit araw, magpaparamdam sila. Ayan, maganda yan.
Oh,
Pinatay yung
ikaw,
TV.
Can you do anything else for me?
Ang tapang naman ito.
Anything at all?
Medyo maingay lang yung lagitik ng camera, no? Siguro GoPro to. Pag GoPro kasi ganyan, eh.
Alright.
Now, if you listen closely, you can actually hear some bizarre low voice seem to answer when Michael says hello before walking into the room.
Hello?
Yun na, oh. Nag-hello din. Hello. Ito. Yun yun, eh. Na-captured, eh. Yung parang black shadow, eh.
I know you're in there, you may as well show yourself.
Oh, show yourself.
And after he enters the room, something seems to attempt to escape down the stairs. So is Michael haunted by some strange entity? Or is it all just an elaborate hoax? An 8-year-long one? Let me know what
Ayan,
you
oh.
think.
Bakit gumalaw yan? Eh, ang taas-taas niyan.
By the way, if you want to see more of Michael McGee's paranormal
Si Michael
investigations, be sure to check out his YouTube channel. Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
In this next clip, a ghost hunter called Yasa decides to investigate a supposedly haunted house in the
Mga ano pala to, eh, no? Mga YouTuber mga paranormal investigator.
Countryside near
Oh,
the
ang
city
creepy
of
yan.
Jeddah. Visitors have reported strange supernatural sightings at the location,
Nakakatakot.
and it is said that the voices of crying children can be heard coming from the abandoned house.
Na yan. Nai-imagine ko kasi pumupunta ako sa mga abandon na ganyan eh. Nung pag makakarinig ka ng ganyan na so far wala pa naman, parang sobrang liit lang na hindi malinaw. Minsan sa recording mo na lang mapapansin talaga.
At all hours of the night,
Ay, ang creepy.
صوت أطفال ولا لا؟
Ayan. Ayun. Ayun yung bata nga.
شوف
Parang batang nawawala.
شايفين؟ صوت
sure enough, within a few minutes of entering the house, Yasa begins to hear a strange noise that sounds like
Oo.
screaming.
Paano magkakabata dyan? Abandon na abandon yan.
But he just laughs it off, asking, is this the voice of screaming children or not?
صوت أطفال ولا لا؟
Ayun oh.
شوف شايفين؟
Pero yun, actual niya naririnig, no? Actual niya naririnig yan. Kasi minsan sa mga video ko, sa mga video na mga exploration, minsan sa ko na lang naririnig. Sa recording, sa na lang, kapag nag-i-edit.
صوت
However, Yasa becomes a bit more rattled when he begins to hear strange noises upstairs that sound like a small child's footsteps running across the
Ayan.
floor.
والله أنا خفت.
Uy, legit yun ah.
طيب هذا ايش؟ تتوقع في فيران يعني جوا ولا ايش؟
Oh. Pwede rin naman na daga, no?
انتوا سامعين؟
And then, this.
Yan. Ay, parang
sa may-
naglalakad nga. Uy! Yun, nakakatakot. May sumilip. May sumilip talaga. Check nga natin.
انتوا سامعين؟
Ayun oh. Oh, di ba? Na-post ko. Ano yan? Ano yung itim na yan? Ay, ang creepy. Ang creepy.
Some strange
Oh,
black
habulin pa
shape
niya, oh.
seems to peek around the corner at him and then disappears back into the darkness.
Mahilig talaga silang sumilip, ano? Ayaw nila magpakita ng tuluyan. Gusto lang nila sumisilip.
After this encounter, Yasa decides to make a quick exit from the house.
Wala na. Paglalaroan ka na dyan.
So,
Exit ka na.
Yasa claims that he
Yun.
caught a jinn or a ghost on
Ito,
camera.
pag ganyan talaga, lalo na pag nagsosulo ka, tapos may maramdaman ka na, alam mo na parang pinaglalaroan ka na or parang, alam mo na, parang malakas yung nila, yung kanilang presence dyan. Talagang magde-decide ka na talaga mag-quit na lumabas na lang Kasi baka kung anong mangyari sa'yo.
This abandoned haunted house. But what do you think?
Ayan no? Paano may explain yan?
What you don't know can't hurt you.
What you don't know.
So
can't
one of my
hurt you.
own personal fears about
Ayan,
putting up a
maganda to,
motion
CCTV.
activated surveillance camera around my home is what I might see. Will I see something that never lets me sleep quite as soundly ever again? Or will it just be random boring footage? Well, in this next series of clips, a security camera system became a nightmare for a man who put up a motion and voice activated camera in his detached garage after several unexplained occurrences. First, the camera just begins to pick up unexplained motion and sound in the middle of the night.
30 AM, ayan. Oh, pag gumalaw yung bola.
Then, electronics in the garage seemingly turn on and off all by themselves.
Oo nga, no? Uy! Nagbibilyar yung multo. Oh, pero ba't walang tako? O tapos parang may usok yun. Yan parang may usok na papunta doon sa bilyaran. Oo, tapos bubukas pa yung ano. Ano ba yan, sakyan? Grabe mga paranormal sa ibang bansa, no? Ang lakas.
And strange
Ayun,
visual
parang may usok.
disturbances begin to be detected by the system's motion sensors.
Ayun. Ayan, orb. Orb yan. Sigurado ako, orb yan. Papunta dun sa... Oh, ayan. Ito. Ayun. Ito itong nasa gitna. Ito talaga, oh. Ayan, oh. Hinigilig ako. Ayan, oh. Imposible namang alikabok yan eh. Wala namang motion eh. Wala namang gumagalaw dyan eh.
And
Ayan talaga.
creepiest of all, late one
Ayan
night,
talaga.
a strange disembodied voice is detected by the security camera audio.
Silence.
Some otherworldly
Silence
presence just
daw.
seems to scream silence
Oh, di ba? Silence.
in a voice that sounds a bit malicious. So is this a ghost caught on
Tapos
CCTV
may
by
nagbilyar
motion
pa.
and voice-sensitive cameras? Or is it all just a hoax? You decide. The Hilltop House. I've mentioned in a couple of previous
it's creepy
videos
din.
that I'm a big fan of YouTube Urban Exploration channel. This is Dan Bell.
Dandel.
Basically, Dan isn't a ghost hunter by any stretch of the imagination. He just explores abandoned
Ito ba
buildings.
gusto ko yung mga ghost hunting na ganito.
And that's pretty much all he does. So if you see something weird happen in one of Dan's videos, you can
1993.
pretty much be sure that something weird
Oy.
actually happened. So someone sent me a link to this video of Dan Bell exploring the abandoned
Ganda ng bahay, oh. Ano ba to? Mansion?
historic Hilltop House in Harpers Ferry, West
Mansion nga.
Virginia. As far as I know, it's one of only 2 videos of Dan Bell actually getting freaked out by something that could be supernatural.
Ayun, oh. Itong mga sira na to, hindi tao gumawa niyan eh. Feeling ko yung may pag may bagyo, may lindol. Pero mas madalas yung bagyo. Kaya nasisira yung mga ganyan.
Stuff upstairs.
Sobrang luma na. Uy, ano yun?
Oh my god. Someone just said help.
Help daw? Grabe dyan, oh. Ang linaw na naririnig nila. Yung talagang clear na clear. Ay, parang yung parang yun sa La Union.
So, did Dan Bell capture some paranormal activity in his
Ay,
urban
sarap magmukbang dito. Doon ka sa upuan. Tapos 3 yung camera mo. Ha, sarap. Ang creepy.
exploration video? Is that voice saying help? Or is it just some random natural sound? It should be noted that Dan himself says he was freaked out, but didn't claim to know what the strange sounds might have been.
At around the 10-minute mark of this video, you'll see an incident that occurred that completely freaked me out, completely terrified me. I had to really fight to continue filming and to get the video done because
Ano
I
yan?
drove all the way up here. I want to shoot this
ayun
thing.
yung
I'm not
kuryente dati.
going to chicken out and run out. The incident really freaked me out.
Creepy. Creepy na lugar. Ayun.
Let me know what you think
Kala ko
down
may
in the
salita.
comments. Haunting in Connecticut.
Hunting in
Most
Connecticut.
people know the famous ghost hunting couple Ed and Lorraine Warren from the Conjuring movie series. But the real-life Warrens claim to have filmed a few ghostly experiences all their
Oy!
own.
Sana
In this
din.
Connecticut home, a family claimed that the house was haunted by an angry poltergeist that didn't want them there. The Warrens went to the home to investigate.
1 knock for yes, 2 for no. Are you a man? Are you a boy? You want the people in this house to move? 1 knock for yes, 2 for no. Yes. Okay. Who is it that you don't?
Na yan. Ito talaga, yung mga lumang video talaga, sobrang legit eh.
Don't like the most here? Is it? Is it? Is it their father? Is it their mother?
Oh my God.
Okay.
Ed Warren asks the spirit to reveal its identity, but he gets a very odd answer.
Give me some sign. Is that you moving something? Give me some sign that you're here. In the
Ay,
name of Jesus Christ,
may
I
kilabutan
command
ako.
you to reveal your identity.
Ay, sino?
On another night, the family's young daughter is attempting to do her homework at the kitchen table, but something decides to interrupt.
Ano yan, titira ka pa ba sa mga ganyan? Alam mo yung itsura nung ano yan, kitchen niya, parang sa Baguio. Yung ano doon, teacher's camp.
Her studies.
The little girl is trying to do her homework.
Walang grabe, oh.
You can see at the chair.
Gusto
keeps
maaksidente
sliding
yung bata.
backwards. You're holding it down, aren't you? It's got that much
Chill lang yung bata, eh, no? Parang wala siyang ano, pakailam.
strength to it. Now, if you watch, you can see the little girl's legs are up on the rungs of the chair.
Oh,
She's not pushing herself up from the floor. The mother is not tipping that chair backwards. Nobody is touching that table. The table moves of its own volition.
uy.
So is this a
Nag-aaral yung bata, ini-istorbo eh.
poltergeist caught on tape? Or were the Warrens orchestrating an elaborate hoax? So, most of the videos in
Grabe.
this week's top 5 were actually sent
Tingin ko
in to
naman totoo eh. Kasi, ano yan eh, parang ano sila, investigative sila eh. Ayun, grabe no, nakakatakot talaga yung mga video na yung mga lumang video talaga, nakakatakot eh. No? Nakakatakot na yung itsura kasi nga luma na. Tapos talagang sobrang ano pa, sobrang grabe pa yung mga pagpaparamdam. So ayun, thank you sa inyong panonood. Hanggang sa muli. Bye-bye!